Hey guys, Heather Holiday here, and today we're going to play with Canva. This is the basics, going over your dashboard, and then of course we're going to go play and create a design. So let's do this. Okay, today we're going over Canva. So when you go to the dashboard, they do have a free version. I happen to pay for it. It did take me a while to just fully embrace. I used Illustrator and Photoshop for everything I did, but I travel a lot, so it was a little hard because my laptops and Chromebooks did not have all of the programs I use. So if I just wanted to do a quick change to a graphic I did, I wasn't able to do it. So I really needed something that I could use, create, templates in there, organize, have the ability to do it from my phone, from my Chromebook, from any device that I had, as well as something easy for admins to be able to redo and stuff like that, as well as agents. So I decided to just jump in, dive in, really embrace Canva, and I use it every single day for all of everything I do on social media, our posts, tons of stuff that I'm able to do. I do Illustrator and Photoshop for our larger projects, but pretty much I can use Canva for anything. So when you go to your dashboard, you're going to see you can create a design. It'll have all the designs that you've done. It's going to have, different templates for the different platforms for you to be able to do. And you can just go see all, you can see all of the different templates that other people may have created and shared, and there's so many really cool designs in here. And then you can upload logos, you can change colors and fonts and all that stuff, changing the text. So basically you start with, be inspired by one of these artworks, and then you go in there, modify it, create it as your own. So there is a ton of stuff already done for you that you can just kind of change up to match your branding, your business, all of that. So all of those fun things. Now when you come over here, you have all your designs, templates, photos, all of that. I'm going to go into Brand Kit. So Brand Kit allows you to add your logos as well as different colors. So I believe even on the free version you get a smaller portion of this, but you still get it. I think you can set up one brand kit as far as your colors. Not 100% sure. I have used the paid version for a while. So basically you have all of your, I went straight to the trademark standards, put in all the color codes, so I have my Remax colors, so I'm always able to change any colors from any template I may see or any creations I do to match the Remax colors. I've also uploaded a ton of fonts. So as you can see here, I have a lot of fonts that I like that may not be already, and they have thousands of fonts already in Canva, but I do like certain fonts that I have, so you're able to upload any fonts, which is awesome. So I'm going to go back home, and now we are going to click on a post. It's basically a template already there, and let's change. I want to make this bigger. If I wanted to add a photo, I could do that. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm just making these a little bigger. If I come over to Elements, I want to add a grid. So I just want a photo grid. And now I can come over to Photos. In these photos, you can do searches, and they have a ton of non-copyrighted, royalty-free photos. Of course, if there is, you'll see the ones you'll have to have a pro account for. And there are also ones that have the little dollar sign. So if I use this, I'm going to have to pay $1 for it. So I try mostly, there are a ton of stuff that you can do for free. So I just drag and drop. And if I want it to be lighter, I can change that. So you can do all that. And I'm going to come back over to Elements because I want to add another photo. I want to add our logo. This one's, basically I'm layering. So I just need to move this over. And I'm going to move this over to the front so that's on top of those bars there, and then it makes it easier to move. So if I come over to my folders, I'm going to have my brand kit, so my logos are already there, and I can just drag and drop, and then I just adjust so it fits in there. And now you see it has the animation there, And you can use, see how the little purple line is there? So it'll show you so that way you can make sure that it's centered. And now if I'm done, I just go and download. So you see how easy it was? I think, what did it take us? A couple minutes to do. So I want you to go in there and play, check out Canva, check out everything that they already have for you, make some changes, make it your own, and then post it to social media. So I hope you have fun playing. Chat soon.